the Emberas.
Welcome. In this last video, we are going to talk about the difference between the life of the Embera in their original community and in the city after they migrate.
After migration caused by the armed conflict in Colombia, their lives have changed dramatically. We have the opportunity to talk with some of the Embera groups that were displaced about their lifestyles. They had to live among the war and fear until they decide to migrate voluntarily, for not suffering more in their territory, for better options of life. So, with all their families, they start a journey to Bogotá, the capital of Colombia.
The adaptation in Bogotá and other big cities or municipal capitals was very difficult because they arrived to a new culture, which also means a new language, a new organizing system, new habits and rules. Because of this, indigenous people do not feel comfortable and welcome to these cities.
In both territories, there have been different lifestyles, conditions to their different cultures. And although they came to the big cities for a better life, they end up having worse life than among the armed conflict. When they arrived, they didn't know how money works and didn't have, which is base of our civilization nowadays. This is the main cause for them not to obtain food and suitable place for living.
Now, when they try to get a job, in many cases, they will be rejected since they are considered different. This is why the leader of the family has to start working on non-formal jobs to maintain their families, jobs in which they work in very bad conditions.
Another problem they face in Bogotá is that many things we should do are not approved by their beliefs, for which they reject our culture.
Maybe the best example is the use of the medical system, in which technology that isn't approved by their communities is used. Another problem for them is the lack of papers, because they can apply to many public services provided by the government or other organizations.
When the essential source of knowledge, the cacique, doesn't migrate with them to Bogotá, they start losing their cultures. Because they are in another environment, they change their tradition and thinking.
But the loss of their cultures is not only due to the different environment. It is mainly because of the ignorance our community has about their culture and beliefs. That makes us reject them because it is a strange thing for us. Once the Embera understand this, they will start to change, especially men, to adapt themselves to this new culture.
The big differences are not just in the use of virtual technology and the use of different clothes that the indigenous have no. To solve all these problems, an ONG called Crecer has been created. This has a special area for Embera that are displaced in Bogotá, in which they practice their culture and learn the new culture at the same time. This is based on a collaborative work between Embera and local teachers. This foundation opens from Monday to Friday to take care of kids between 6 months and 7 years old. When their parents are working, they also make sure that these kids go to school after they leave the foundation.
Please help us making a change and donate money to the Embera community and the Crecer ONG that supports them. Help us start a change and make this community recognized by the whole world. They will appreciate all the help we give them, so please collaborate with this cause.